Go. Well, he didn't fall this time. Hopefully the next one he'll fall. Dominic. Ah.
About kiddos. Wait. And blue PJ. Hello.
Go ahead. Go. Let's hope he falls. And he didn't. Susie. Who's a good dog? Who's a good dog? Hi, Dom. Da-da? Yeah? Yeah. Dom likes the big boy bike. Pete likes the baby bike. Yeah? You like the big boy bike? Yeah? Yeah? Like bikes like Daddy. Daddy likes bikes. Yeah. I used to ride bikes a lot. Now I'm fat. Alright, let's see what this kid does. Let's go. Speed it up this time. Faster. And nothing. And this ends our show.